In the series about the feature pack for BizTalk ESB capabilities. In the first video, you could see how to install open source projects that used for storing events that are being collected from BizTalk and AppFabric for Windows Server, and visualization for these events. So in this video, we take step backwards to talk about how to install trace agent that collects these events and sends them to time series database. So first, what you need to do is create a user account. It can be the main account or local account, it doesn't matter. So in my case, I have a new user here called EC agent. And once you create this user, you need to make sure that this user belongs to performance log users. So this user will be able to have access to the events. So in my case, the user is created, everything is ready to do the installation. So first, what we need to do is install an agent, which is a very easy operation. And we just wait until the agent is installed. And this package contains all necessary runtime libraries for the agent to run. However, at this point, you will not be able to run the agent because you would need to install extensions to actually create instance of an agent. So to accomplish this, we quickly install extensions. And at this point, this is pretty much done. The last step, which is needed for us to make sure that everything is working, is actually to configure agent. And to accomplish that, we can go to PowerShell and go to extensions directory. So now we are nearly ready to install it, excuse me. And to accomplish this simple step, first we need to make sure that we set execution policy to unrestricted. And then install script that actually configures the agent. And this is the name of the script, influxdb install agent ps1. So, and this is the agent for storing data in InfluxDB. So as you see, if you just run the script, it's not going to work because this scriptlet requires parameters. So what we're going to do is simply add parameter install agent, and there is another one to remove agent. And at this point, this is done. So the agent is installed with default configuration, which is using all the bits we installed in the previous video, and it's ready to operate. Now we need to check if the agent is running. So we again execute an itinerary. So as you see, everything is running now. The message processed successfully. So what we need to do is switch back and see what actually happened. So what you see here is one started, one completed. This was time for executing external services in itinerary, which was 7 seconds. And then this is our itinerary. You can see that it has absolutely same activity ID that we just put together, B516. So now you have working agent that you can use with this feature pack. So I hope you like the video and will be interested to see other videos. Thank you.